if any advice I give constantly is the importance of not doing anything a lot. Investing is a long-term thing, and we tend to get really, really caught up with the day-to-day market fluctuations and our day-to-day values of our portfolio, and spend not enough time really studying the businesses we own and what their opportunities are and who the management is and how well they're executing their business plans. And that's where I spend most of my time now, not trying to trade markets that can do a lot of different things. So predicting the Fed and inflation is not the issue. The issue is what are earnings going to do in the companies you own over the next couple of years. So I think as an investor, one must not overthink these transitionary periods of time, as we go through rising rates and a normalization of our economy, and like, oh, I'm going to buy and sell this, or I'm going to sell this. What we really need to think about is where are the greatest opportunities for our generation this decade? And then we just need to buy those stocks when they get hammered, because there isn't much more to it than that. You just buy, dollar cost average, invest, but buy great companies. And that's what we try to do in my fund and with my clients. And what we've done over my career of now 28 years is buying great companies like Apple that I've owned for so long, my whole career. And it still is making me money, And so it's not that hard. I think we tend to overthink this entire process. So if you own a stock like Tesla and it goes down, there's no reason for you to be upset or panic. They just reported the best quarter they've ever had. It's an opportunity. Netflix just reported the best quarter they ever had. Apple just recorded the best. Microsoft just reported the best quarter they ever had. So when stocks go down, they get hammered. And I look at my portfolio and I go, I can't believe my portfolio is down 13% this year. But I'm like, wait, what the heck? This is such an opportunity. I love these companies. I know these companies like my brother, and they're doing great. So don't overthink it. You just buy low and you hold forever. And I think that if you own high quality investments, that's all you need to do, and you'll have tremendous wealth over the course of time. But if you think you're going to trade your way into becoming a millionaire in 6 months and all this kind of nonsense, that's not the way to do it. So I think we tend to overthink this process. We have great companies. We've talked about great companies today, and you buy these companies when you get the chance, when they're cheap, like today, and you just hold them. And if you buy Tesla for under $1,000, you don't have to think about it. If it goes down, you should be happy. You should be happy. And I think that's where most investors fail, is they're spending so much time worrying about day-to-day fluctuations and trying to be a genius. And they're missing, what do they say? They missed the forest for the trees, or they missed the trees for the forest? No, they missed the forest for the trees. And the forest is great. The forest is great. America's in a great position right now to grow and prosper over the next couple of years. So, you can't let the Fed and Powell and inflation knock you off track.